Hey guys, it's me. Welcome to my world. So I'm working on my world right now. It's not totally finished. I haven't finished the ceiling. So yeah, we gotta finish that. Gotta finish some things. Oops. Gotta finish quite a few things. I will show you around. So this is my little place. That's my nether thing. Like, it looks like the nether. Everything. And another portal. And then over here is my house with my cat and my 3 dogs. And yeah. I had a red rose bush, but I didn't do anything, so it died. Very fast. And I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have a bunch of everything. This is my enchanting table. I want to put it out somewhere else. Have more cooks. And yeah. That's basically a world. I mean, I want to make more, but sorry about me not uploading those days. Any of you who watch my videos, sorry for not uploading. It's just that, kind of couldn't. There's things going on. There's problems, but always stay positive, guys. Always have a smile. So, I'm going to show you up here. Up here is like, where my old house was and stuff. Where I had my sheep farm. So this is my sheep farm where I collect wool. I need to dye them some other colors. I don't need that wool now. And this is my cocoa bean farm. Got tons of cocoa beans. This is my old house. My old house. Nothing is in here. There's a bunch of crap in this chest. Just a bunch of crap. And yeah. So that's basically our world. So if you enjoyed, please like, share with your friends, and yeah, that's me. See ya in the next game.